Hello, my name is Gilad. I want to talk to you a bit about Pharma 4.0. During the ISPE Annual event, which is virtual this year, what we would like to discuss a bit more in detail as we go through this presentation in the practicalities of what it means to embark on this digital journey to become more productive with some of these new and promising technologies. Pharma 4.0 is a whole lot of things. It's very interesting because of all the digital technologies and how they use today. So we use mobile phones, some level of home automation, etc. All these things work in concert, and it doesn't take any unique technical skill to get them all set up. Your phone pretty much is intuitive in how it uses the apps, and the apps how to use the cameras and the GPS. Wouldn't it be nice if we could use that same level of intuitive technology in our manufacturing? I'm going to be joined by a few people from Vertex, where they have used some of these new digital technologies to democratize how they use software in their manufacturing. And I think you will see that as a simple, straightforward way to use some very intuitive technology to start digitizing all the paper forms and papers and checklists that we have. So please join me. It's going to be, as I said, a virtual ISPE event, and we look forward to seeing you all there. Thank you.